Hi guys, it's Sterling and welcome to my channel. Alright, so we have an unboxing. Now I'll have to be perfectly honest, I actually unboxed it in my laundry room because I don't know if where you guys are at, but the pollen here in Texas is horrific. So the mailing box was covered in pollen and I didn't want to bring it into my bedroom. So I already unboxed it, and if you guys watch my videos, I was very excited to try out the NuFace. Keep saying NuFace, the NuBody skin toning device. So it's supposed to tone firm and smooth dimples. Hooray, if it works. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys, and then I'm going to do a first impression. So I will use it one time, show you how I use it, and I will also in this video update you on the Ele attachment. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, as you guys know, about a week ago, I added the Ele attachment to my NuFace Trinity. And the Ele attachment is designed specifically for the eyes and the lips. All my videos with regards to NuFace are in a playlist, but I will list the most recent how to use it video here. And if you'd like to see the NuFace Trinity, I have all those videos in a playlist. I have how to use it, week 1, I think month 1, month 2, and maybe even month 3. So let me just start out by saying that I do use the NuFace Trinity and the Ele attachment together. It is time consuming, not gonna lie. It probably takes about 40 to 45 minutes to do the complete routine with the NuFace and the Ele device. I just happen to do it while I'm watching TV, or if I'm soaking in the tub, you know, just don't drop it in the tub. So I'll sit there and do it. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy, the NuBody, and see what we got. So I got mine off of QVC. Here's why. This is an expensive device, not going to lie. I think it was on a, they did have a deal, so I want to say that it was $373. As always, I'll list it in the description box. But it came with this beautiful little case. I love it. Look at how cute that is. So you could take it with you, but it's also a great way to store it. And it says NuBody, NuFace right on the, and it's a kind of a faux leather case. And let's open it up. And when you open it up, in here, it's beautifully packaged. You have the device, you have the gel, and then you have the charger and directions in this pocket here. So let's go ahead and start with the device itself. So it is 4 large heads. It's very light. Some people were worried that it would be heavy because you're gonna have to constantly do this, but it is. It's actually very light. This is all plastic. The heaviest part would be the 4 ball heads, but this is what it looks like. And here is the charging port here. Here is where you turn it on. And just like the NuFace, 3 levels of intensity. The gel, I'm curious to see if it is a leave-on, and it is. I snuck a little peek to see. They originally just had the conductivity gel as a wash-off. Then they added the 24 karat leave-on, and then now they have all of their gels leave on, which I like because there's skincare properties in them. Show you, it's exactly like the NuFace gel. You can see here, it's very clear, has that same consistency as the stuff that we put on our face. There is hyaluronic acid in here, propanediol, I can never say that word, glycerin. So there's good skincare properties in here. If we're gonna put something on our body and leave it on, might as well be doing something. Let's see. Then we have the charger is different than the NuFace. This is one that you plug into the wall. So you pop this up, plug it into your electrical outlet, and then this plugs into the machine itself. If I get ready to smooth and tone, quick start guide here. The big thing reason that I get it off of QVC is they give you 90 days to try this. So if I try this for 3 months and I don't see improvement to my satisfaction, I can send this back and I get my money back, and there are no questions asked. So when something is very expensive like this and you're not sure if it's going to work for you, this is a good way to try it and see if you like it. And normally they give a 30 days, but with these devices, even with the NuFace, they had originally given 90 days. I don't know if that is still, please check the description when you click on the link and make sure that's still true. But when I purchased this NuBody, it was for 90-day trial period. So if you're talking 5 minutes per side, about an hour for NuBody. That is a huge amount of time. So I would say to you, if you're not gonna put in the time, don't buy the device. I'm gonna say that right off the bat, and I don't know whether it works or not, but I'm gonna say if you're not gonna put in the time, don't even bother. It's the same for the NuFace Trinity. You must use it. Now, there's not that much of a commitment to time with the NuFace, but now adding the NuFace and the L and the body, you're talking, an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. So I will probably break it up into a morning routine and an evening routine. See how it goes, and I'll give you my first impression. So here we go. guys, so you've seen that I've unboxed the NuBody. I have tried the NuBody out. I've actually tried it out twice, so in this video you see that that's the first time I've used it, and then I used it again today. And let me just give you my first impressions. I'm going to tell you, number one, this is extremely time consuming if you do all the body parts. So you're talking 5 minutes for each body part, plus you can do additional 5-minute spot treatments. And you've seen in the videos that I've done that I did spot treatments on my thighs. So I will say this is how I'm going to do this because I can already tell this is a good hour. If I did absolutely everything plus spot treatments, probably an hour and 10 to 15 minutes. So that's a lot. So first and foremost, if you just have maybe your thighs that you're working on or your arms or something like that, then this isn't a big commitment of time. But if you're doing the whole thing, so front and back arms, your abdomen, I did my front thighs, back thighs, and the sides, inner and outer. So I actually spent 15 minutes on each leg plus the spot treatment. So that's 20 minutes on just the legs. So what I decided to do, let me just say this, and let me just say, if you are not going to put in the time, do not buy this device. I'm planning on using this. I'm going to not do the glutes. It's not something, you know, maybe down the road I'll try it, but I figure I can knock 10 minutes out not doing the glutes, and I could put those 10 minutes into the spot treatments on my thighs because that's where I have more of the dimpling and more of the elasticity issues, being that I'm 51. So I will be doing, just to reiterate with you guys, I will be doing my arms, I do front and back, I will be doing my abdomen as well as spot treatment on my abdomen, and I will be doing my thighs, front, side, front, back, inner and outer, as well as spot treatment. And then so we'll go from there. I will not do an update for 30 days. So if you guys are interested in the NuFace and you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. With regards to the L attachment, it's been a week. I took the before pictures, and then I've taken recent pictures. There's really no change, so 1 week is definitely not enough for the L attachment. But with regards to the L, I do have, and let me make sure, you know, for me, I have heavily hooded eyes. They're not, you know, I see some people go, oh, I have hooded eyes. I'm like, yeah, those aren't hooded eyes. So I have very drastic hooded eyes. In fact, one is worse than the other, and it sits on top of my eyelash. So we'll see if this will work though. I'm really hoping that it'll work. As of right now, I see no difference. It's easy enough to use. I have told you with regards to that attachment, I do the upper in 3 places under the brow, 1, 2, 3. I do 1, 2 up here, and then I do the sweeping motion, you know, 3 times, 1, 2, 3. I will not do the under the eye motion. My skin is just a mess down there. It's very puffy, wrinkles, bags. I don't need to be tugging on that, so I really didn't enjoy that the first time I did it, and I have not used that step. So my main is looking at how it will affect, if anything, my hooded eyes. And then also, will it affect the mouth and the nasolabial folds? So we'll see. So what I've decided to do is in 30 days, I will review both of them and give you an update and see where we're at. So that's my first impression for the NuBody, and that's sort of my update on the L attachment for NuFace Trinity. Bear with me with my regards to my old videos. So that's kind of where we're at. I will see you guys back here in 30 days with some before and after pictures, and let's keep our fingers crossed that we get tightened in tone. As always, if you're subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much, and I will see you guys in 30 days.